Airplane Acrobat by Kimi Ishikawa, art by Mary Roja. Can you roll like a log or somersault on the ground? Some planes can do those tricks and more in the air. The pilot even flies upside down sometimes. What does that feel like? Well, with your seatbelt on tight, it's like hanging from your lap. Your cheeks push on your eyes. Your sunglasses lean on your eyebrows instead of your nose, and your lungs feel a little crowded. Now that you know what to expect, let's try a flying move called an Immelman. It starts with the plane looping up, then rolling so it ends right side up and facing the opposite direction. 1. Sit on the floor in an imaginary airplane. Make sure there's room all around you, especially behind you and to the right. Look over your left shoulder. See any landmarks? A couch? Call that your airport. 2. Now face forward. Pull on an imaginary control stick and start a backward somersault. 3. When the back of your head presses the ground and your bottom points at the ceiling, stop pulling back on the stick and stop somersaulting backward. 4. Push the stick all the way to the left and roll your curled up body off of your head to the right. 5. Keep rolling onto your right shoulder, your right side, and up onto your bottom as you bring the stick back to the center. 6. Now you're facing the opposite way, and the airport that was behind you to your left is in front of you to your right. Congratulations! You are now officially licensed for imaginary upside-down flying.